In this video, we'll demonstrate how to unpack the IMS tools packs file on your USS system and create the product installation directory. Let's start with how to unpack the product packs file. You can do this by issuing the following command on USS, or you can use this sample JCL. Start by replacing the account number with a valid job statement and specify the class and the message class. Next, replace your USS packs directory with the name of the USS directory that you use for product downloads. And finally, provide the name of the actual packs file. Here you can see how to continue the PALM statement if the directory path is too long for one line. Now submit the job to create the product directory. For release 19, the product directory will be named IMT-J0G0, and for release 20, either IMT-K0B0 or IMT-K0G0. The next step is to locate the unzip JCL file in the created folder, then edit and submit it. You can edit the file directly, or use this JCL to unload it to a dataset for editing and then submit it from there. This job creates the following unzip JCL member that you can now edit. Change the SMP-dir DD path to the product-specific directory created by the packs command. Change your HLQ to the high-level qualifier for the SAMP JCL dataset. Use a unique high-level qualifier for each expanded packs file. To check that it hasn't been tampered with, the job uses ICSF to hash check the archive. If you don't have ICSF, you can unpack and verify the archive using Java, and you can turn off the verification by setting hash equal to no. Check the product documentation for further information. Now submit the job, and the SAMP JCL dataset is created with the specified high-level qualifier. This is the dataset that you'll use to complete the installation. In the next video, we'll look at how to prepare your SMPE environment and complete the installation process. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can access the product documentation and our knowledge base articles. You can also interact with our user communities and explore the CA learning paths. Thank you for watching.